Welcome to Velosio's State of Field Service 2023 report. In this video, we'll delve into the key insights and trends shaping the field service industry as we navigate the uncertain waters of the coming years. Field service leaders face a future filled with uncertainty. This uncertainty ranges from operational challenges to budgeting for labor and technology. The path to success may not always be obvious, but Velosio aims to shed light on this murky landscape. Velosio conducted an extensive survey of over 200 field service leaders across the United States. We asked questions about analytics, metrics, technology impact, and more. Now, let's explore some of the key findings from our report. First, we discovered that 53% of companies use a combination of scheduled and predictive maintenance. This efficient strategy benefits both service providers and their customers, ensuring optimal performance. On the other hand, 46% of organizations still rely solely on regular maintenance, potentially costing them more resources. The key difference between a field service team being a cost center and a profit center is how much reactive maintenance they conduct. So having a good maintenance plan in place is very important. Predictive analytics emerged as a powerful tool, with nearly 3/4 of respondents using it to forecast future service needs. This technology is especially valuable in regulated industries like healthcare. Our experts recommend focusing on technologies like predictive maintenance, mobility, and cloud computing to drive field service success. These innovations offer significant benefits for both cost and efficiency. It will come as no surprise that AI is considered the technology with the biggest impact on the field service industry right now. With so many technology options available, it's important to remember that there is no single correct answer. Your choice should be dependent on the industries your team serves and the capabilities you need. Just under half of all responding organizations felt they had a robust training and development plan, but our experts felt answers to the other questions were telling. Again, the devil is in the details. The challenge for many of these is first in understanding their current capabilities so they can make the best decisions about how to improve. Performing a comprehensive operational maturity assessment is a good first step. Not surprisingly, to our experts, many field service organizations heavily leverage mobile devices, especially smartphones and tablets. Their technicians' ability to connect their devices anywhere, especially in offline mode, is a game changer for field services. In an ever-evolving field service landscape, staying ahead is key to success. With Dynamics 365 Field Service, organizations can empower technicians, gain insights, and position themselves for growth. Download the full ebook for insights and more information on the current state of field service. Velosio, your full-service technology partner, specializes in optimizing field service operations. Partner with us to unlock your business's full potential.